Several sustained injuries during a torch rally at Singjamai area after security forces fired tear gas shells and mug bombs to disperse the crowd from proceeding further. The incident occurred last night around 7 p.m. when hundreds of people started a torch rally from Lilong and proceeded towards Singjamai in protest against Tronglaobi incident. People also joined in from multiple areas in the rally, which was spearheaded by All Manipur United Clubs Organization, AMUKO, Pore Leimarol Merapaibi Apunma Manipur, Committee on Human Rights, and All Manipur Women's Voluntary Association, AMAVOBA, and Manipuri Students Federation. People chanted slogans demanding justice for Tronglaobi victims, action against Kuki militants, while also expressing their discontent on Central Security Forces for failing to protect civilians. The rallying crowd were stopped at a traffic island located at Singjamai Makong, and a scuffle erupted amid the chaos, which led to firing of tear gas shells and mug bombs by security forces. The scuffle reportedly continued till 1 a.m. and several persons, including a Manipur police personnel, sustained injury. People also complained that the tear gas and mug bombs landed at residential areas and inside houses. A fire incident was also reported in Kanchipur area.
महिला के लगी है कैम तो बोलते आ रहा है नहीं निकल दो